Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming a solid physical or wireless link. Plug the jack fully or reconnect Bluetooth. Once done, open sound settings and set your headphones as the default output so audio routes correctly. Make sure system and headset volumes aren't muted and check any inline controls. Wireless headsets also need sufficient battery. These quick checks remove the most common routing and power causes so you can move on to deeper fixes with confidence. Next, you dig into software. Update or reinstall the audio and Bluetooth drivers because corrupted drivers often block sound. Restart the OS audio services to reset the pipeline. On Windows, that's Windows Audio and related services. Then, in Sound Properties, disable exclusive mode and try different sample rates. Mismatched formats can silence output. If Bluetooth, remove and repair the device. These steps resolve protocol and driver-level. Finally, validate hardware versus system. Test the headphones on a separate device and try different headphones on yours so you isolate the fault. If software still seems to blame, reset the headset to factory defaults or reinstall the audio stack and apply pending OS updates. If those fail, inspect physical connectors, adapters, and internal damage. Loose jack pins or broken wires are common. If nothing works, one troubleshooting tip. Swap to wired or a different Bluetooth dongle to quickly determine if the
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.